Hello, welcome to our new video. Today we are going to draw these numbers and alphabets in numbers. But first we see what colors do we have. Brown color, sky blue color, yellow color, pink color, blue color, orange color, purple color, parrot green color, red color, black color, indigo color, and green. Let's go. Let's draw one. Let's draw two. Let's draw three. Let's draw four. Let's draw five. Let's draw six. Let's draw seven. Let's draw eight. Let's draw nine. Let's draw 10. Now we will read these numbers and these alphabets. 1 O N E 1. 2 T W O 3 D H R E E 4 F O U R 5 F I V E 5 6 S I X 6 7 S E V E N 7 8 E I G H T 8 9 N I N E 9 10 T E N 10. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Stay tuned for our next video. Till then, like, share and subscribe. Bye.